So if you just lost a streak and you're really trying to get that streak back, then just watch this video and I'm going to show you exactly how you can recover it. So first things first, you want to click on your profile on the top left. From here, you want to click on the settings icon on the top right. All right, and then once you're in this page, you want to scroll down until you find what says support. It says I need help on the top. Just click on that. From here, you want to go to the search bar and then you want to type in snap streaks, just like that. And then once this page loads, you want to click on the first option. And then now you want to click on I lost my snap streak. How do I restore it? From here, you want to click on here, right over here. And then once you're in this page, you want to scroll down. And then as you can see, it asks you to fill out all these information, but all you have to do is click on this very bottom and click on no. If you say yes, then Snapchat will just instantly reject your request. So then now in the description box, just tell Snapchat that you want to get your streaks back. So just make up an excuse like that, that should work. And then now just click on submit. Now just solve the CAPTCHA bot. So after that, Snapchat will give you your streaks back, and that is how you solve it.